to my channel. If you are new, welcome as well. If you don't know me, I am Shukununu Bold, and in this channel we do anything exciting, beauty, you know, along those lines, lifestyle and everything. So if you haven't subscribed already, please do click on the subscribe button, also click on the like button, also click on the notification button so that whenever I upload a video you guys get notified. So without me talking too much, let's get into this video. So you guys, as you know, or if you do not know, Hermosa Flor Cosmetics is on flames. They have a new palette, and this is their third palette, and of course I have all of them because I really love their palette. So the one that had me crazy and my head was spinning is this new palette right here, and it is their Daisy collection palette. Yes, it comes with a very cute bag in a way, like it's like a bag that I feel like I'm gonna fit all three of them. So anyways, I don't think it's meant for that, but let's get into the reviewing of this palette, and I can just open the bag. Guys, it is this baby right here. It is the Daisy collection. It's called, oh, it's upside down actually. So it is the Daisy eyeshadow palette collection, and it looks something like this. It's giving me summer vibes. And then you guys, like, it also comes with this I don't know what this is called, but all the palettes come with this thing right here. And you guys, I have seen the colors inside because I did open because I couldn't hold it. Like, I opened this and I posted it on Instagram, and yo, oh my god. So this is how the colors are looking. You guys, can you see how beautiful this is? Of course you'll hear a kid talking because I guess it's normal. It shows that I'm leaving you. So it comes with this paper that separates the palette from the mirror, and it has a mirror as well. So I don't even know how to mix this. I don't even know how to mix these colors too. I don't even know how to mix these colors together. So I'm gonna see like what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna mix a lot of, like, I don't know guys, like I will see what to do. So closer look, you guys, this is how the palette is looking and how the colors are looking. And yeah guys, and the swatches look something like this. This is how the colors are looking, just in case you are wondering and stuff. But yes, so I went ahead and did the hand swatches for you guys so that you can see everything. I don't know why I'm repeating myself, but yeah. So as you guys know that in this channel we always prime our eyes before eyeshadow, and the primer that I'm going to use is a concealer by Maybelline Fit Me, and it looks something like that. And this color is in number 30, and it has been through everything. So what I'm going to do is you just grab the same palette, and I'm going to use it as my mirror. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take the wand and apply on my lid, just like that. So I'm going in with a flat brush, and yes, of course, y'all, please do not comment on my hand being dark. As you can see, y'all, it is just like that. So we have a dark hand situation going on that doesn't match my face. But if you've been in this channel, you would know that my hands are always exposed, so we're not gonna talk about that, okay? So the first color, I don't know what to do. So what are we going to do? Let's start with this color called New. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to actually work it out. Oh my god, already the pigment. So I'm just gonna work with this color from the outer corner of my eye. So of course you guys, I feel like Hermosa Flor is always winning when it comes to pigment, baby. Okay, so the next color that I want to go in with, it is, oh my god, this color called Edible. I'm actually going in with the colors that actually attracted me the most. Oh my god, I swear I'm not exaggerating this thing. What the, I feel like swearing right now. I hardly swear, you guys, but I feel like I want to swear. I'm speechless. Like I think the colors are speaking for themselves. I do not have to shout and say hallelujah. This palette is just giving me vibes to create more videos, like, guys, yo. So now I'm just going in with this Persistence color right here, and it's more like a pinkish color. And these colors, you guys, these colors, they are like shimmery matte, I don't know, like satin colors in a way. I'm literally just placing the colors, and the colors are booming with me. They are agreeing, they're saying yes ma'am, they're saying okay, all right, she's the girl she thinks she is. Okay, I'm just gonna take this small blending brush and start blending every color. I'm interested to see how Happiness is gonna look like. This like dark purple color, like, it better make me happy. So I'm just gonna like put it outside. It's giving me this true red, I don't know what color is this, but yeah. So what I'm going to do right now is to just blend it out a little bit, you know. I'm pretty much just making my eye full right now. I'm actually interested to put a little bit of out of the box color. Like, there's no way I'm not gonna use Innocence, guys. Like this color called Innocence right here, using the same brush. And you want to make sure you tap with this palette because they are pigmented. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm just gonna use that color as my ear dot color. Oh my god, you guys will probably not take me serious after this video. She didn't come to play, guys. Like, as I said, you guys, I'm saying I'm going in for the colors that attracted me the most. There's this color called Joy and Harmony. They look kind of black. Like, I don't know if they're both black or what, but they're like, there's two colors right here. One is like a matte, the other one is like shimmer. I'm just gonna go with Harmony right here, and already my brush is like tinted, so I'm just gonna take it and put it lightly, guys. Like, you want to do this super lightly. And I want to bring this color sort of to create my line. Oh my god, I have a liner. Woo! Imagine having an eyeshadow that can actually draw my liner. Y'all, I'm creating a liner using Harmony right now. I'm just gonna use this brush to slightly blend it outwards because I don't want that intense thingy. Sort of like blend it to create a liner. Okay, I'm back with my lashes on, and I changed my lipstick and also tried to boom my face a little bit. So you guys, this is how everything is looking so far. So we continue with this video. Already, if you can see on the other eye, I already have my under eye done. So we're gonna do the same on the other eye as well. So I'm just going back to the baby right here, y'all, and we just gonna continue with the same sequence. So what we're going to do is we're gonna start with the colors that we started with going in, but for the outer part of the eye, I'm just gonna go in with this color called Happiness, and we're just gonna tap it a little bit. I'm just gonna open my eyes, and I'm just gonna open my eyes like that, and I'm just gonna make sure that okay, I'm sorry for looking crazy, guys. I have to open my eyes and open my mouth for this, so excuse me if I'm looking a little bit crazy. So now I'm going in with this color called New. Did I go in with New? I have this thing of, like, guys, like, I always mismatch my eyes. That is because I forget the colors that I always go in with, more especially this time because I went in with a lot of colors. So now I'm just gonna go in with New. I'm just gonna tap. So for this, guys, you want to make sure you are using a very small blending brush or any brush that is going to help you be precise, because you don't want to look like you just got hit by a car and you've got like a you've got like a what is it called? You see those blue eyes? Yes, you want to look like you have a blue eye also. Just want to make sure that you are a little bit precise. I'm a bit bringing mine a little bit down so that you know, we can see the colors. Like guys, literally I'm not struggling with these colors at all. Like that's how quick this tutorial is gonna be. It's gonna be so quick, I hope. Like I feel like I was so quick. I feel like I've been here for like a very short time, so why must I not love this palette? I'm going in with Edible. So Edible looks like that. Oh my god, was I even showing this on cam? Edible is that color, and I'm just gonna go with it on the, it's still under the eye. I just don't know what the part is called. Is the center part of it, I think. Guys, I normally cake my makeup when I do that. Like I'm here to find makeup that is not gonna crack me, more especially on my mouth area, because I talk too much. Guys. So now the color that I'm going in with is this Persistence color. It's like a pinkish color in a way, so it looks something like that. And I'm just gonna go in on the inner part of the eye. Oh, the eyeshadow is in my eye. Oh my god, just like that. Can I tell you guys how obsessed I am with these colors, more especially the Innocence color? Literally is going in, it's going well with these colors that I just put. Like you would swear that it's a lost child. Like can you imagine? Everything is just red and stuff, and we've got the lost child, Innocence, and it's blending pretty well. It's like doing really well with the family. It's just the one is just the girl. She is the vibe. Like guys, can you see how beautiful this kind of, oh my god, I feel like I will need a reorder of this palette because why not? Like woo! So we are done with this video, guys, and this is how everything is looking. What the hell is freaking going on right here? Like this is how the look is looking. I don't know how you guys are thinking. Like what do you guys think? I really feel like I love this look and I feel like it's beautiful. So you guys just leave a comment down below and tell me what do you think of this look. So my final thoughts of this palette, first of all, she spoke for herself. The colors are pigmented, the colors are great, the colors are beautiful. I did not struggle with layering the colors. Like everything was just on point. So with the color perfections and stuff, we all know that is their pop and place, so we're not even gonna dwell in that. So this palette as well is really on point. It's beautiful. Again, I must say that I really love the colors. Like I feel like they attract me. I don't know guys, I just love color, so anything that is colorful attracts me. So already I was like, there is no way I'm not going to buy this palette, because why not? Like I love the fact that it is colorful. But by the way, you guys, if you don't know, my eyes are not the same, and when I'm wearing lashes, one is a bit down and the other one is a bit up, so I have like eyes. So and when it comes to ordering, you guys, everything was pretty quick. I ordered the date launch. Well, I'm just like that. I feel like I'm a baby for ordering things when they just launched, more especially to our South African queens. Well, I don't know if we've got kings, we have products. I just need to do my research on that. But anyways, y'all, like ordering was quick and I got my delivery super quick as well. Within days, guys, my delivery was here. So what else? The price, I got it on, so since I bought it on the launch date, I bought it for 270, which is the price when you are buying. I don't know how much is it, like I don't know what the exact price is. I bought it for 270. That was the discounted code for Women's Month in a way. So that is that, and I think with shipping it was about 100 rand, so I paid about 320 for delivery and the palette, and everything was smooth. But anyways, that is it from this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.